Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Gek Relics. First, understand that these relics are crucial for improving your standing with the Gek civilization and can be traded for valuable resources. They are primarily found within systems controlled by the Gek, so targeting these areas is your initial step. We'll cover specific methods to acquire them next. There are several reliable ways to acquire Gek Relics. One common method is trading with Gek non-player characters, or NPC, found in space stations or trading posts. They often offer relics in exchange for other goods. Additionally, completing missions for the Gek faction at the space station's mission agent can frequently reward you with these valuable items. Don't forget to explore planets for ancient ruins, which often contain relics. To maximize your relic hunting efficiency, consider boosting your reputation with the Gek. Higher standing can lead to more favorable trades and mission rewards. When exploring planets, actively use your ship's scanner to locate ancient ruins and other points of interest, as these are prime locations for relics. Always prioritize exploring star systems where the Gek are the dominant species for the best chances. Once you've collected Gek relics, you can exchange them at the space station's Gek representative to significantly increase your standing with their faction. This unlocks new dialogue options and better trade prices. Some relics are also components in advanced crafting recipes, allowing you to create powerful items. For more great deals and to upgrade your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other fantastic products.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.